guys, today we have this product from Desktop Logistics. It is a desktop organizer. It has a pegboard, it's metal, it's magnetic. It is perfect for a gaming office like this one. I have a mess right here because I just always want to have my stuff out there so I can easily grab them. But you know, whenever I need to use the office, I need to put everything on the side. So this product right here will give me the versatility and will give me the efficiency that I need. Let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's inside. Inside the box, we're gonna find some clamps. We're gonna find 2 gaming controller holders, a pen holder. We're gonna find some headphone holders. In this small bag, we're gonna find a tool to install this. We're gonna find some hardware, magnetic pins, these are pretty cool, and 4 hooks. Also a storage shelf. And finally, we're gonna find our pegboard right here. This is magnetic and it's metal. Let's go ahead and install this and see how it looks. The installation is pretty simple. We're gonna go ahead and open our clamps right here. After you're done installing your clamps, you're gonna get your screws and your washers so you can screw them in really quick. Let's go ahead and install this really quick. We're done putting our screws in, and we're gonna go ahead and set up our pegboard right here. Put this in, very simple. And just put them in and then slide it down. Okay, well there you go. This is actually very nice because you can keep everything organized. Everything looks, you know, awesome. So we are done setting up our pegboard. It was a very simple process. It's a very nice product that we have here. We can definitely say goodbye to the clutter and say hello to the efficiency that this is going to bring. I hope that my video provides you with some ideas to how to set up your pegboard once you get it. I hope that I answer most of the questions to what's included, how easy or hard it is to install this product, and definitely want to thank you for watching and see you in the next video.